Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to take a look at Rinky's new cool case lineup. This is the Fusion X case lineup. Now, I have recently done a review for this case, but the regular Fusion X, this is the original Fusion X case right here. As you can see, it's got the nice hard sides and corners, also got the hard see-through back, and I've also done a drop test using this case with the device, and it held up great, protecting the device very, very well. Well, they've got some new cool designs right here for this same exact model. As you can see here, we got the carbon fiber black Fusion X, we've got the Camel Black Fusion X, and we've also got the Hexagon Black Fusion X. So today we are going to take a look at these and see how well they look on the device. We already know that they protect the device very, very well. If you are interested in seeing that drop test, I will leave it down in the description below, but let's go ahead and see what they look like on the device. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with my favorite out of the three, which is the Camel Black, and look at this. It just looks very, very cool, very unique. It's got a cool texture in the back as well, so when holding it, it actually doesn't feel slippery at all. It feels like you're gonna get a nice, good grip when holding the phone. And as you can see, exactly like the last one, it's got a nice lip on the bottom and the top as well. The cutouts are all perfect. You got a cutout for the mic, the speaker, the headphone jack, and the charging port, and also for the mic up top. And the buttons work well, as you can see there. Let's try the volume buttons. Working well. Bixby button working good as well. So this is the Camel Black case. Like I said, this is my favorite out of the three. Just looks very unique. You really don't see a lot of cases like this, giving great protection, looking good. So this is the Camel Black. And if you find yourself interested in any of these cases at all, I will make sure to leave some links down in the description below. But look at this. This looks absolutely beautiful. It looks very, very cool. All right, so next is the carbon fiber case, another very cool design. Same build, same model as you can see there, but as you can see, the design is a little bit different. It's got that same texture in the back. You can even hear it as I'm scratching it. But yes, same texture in the back, and it doesn't seem like it's going to lose any of that design. Even if you scratch it very, very hard, as you can see, still looks the same. So I'm pretty sure this design is going to hold up well, but it does look very, very good on this device. Same size lip on the bottom and the top. Like I said, these are all the same models. Buttons are gonna work the same, cutouts exactly the same, but this is the carbon fiber black. And last but not least is the Hexagon Black. Now this one actually does look really cool as well. It shows more of the white of the device, or whatever color your Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus is going to be. It shows a lot more of that color compared to these two. As you can see, the black colors are really only on the lines, the hexagon lines, and then it is completely clear in between those, showing more of the color of your device. And you can see there, it looks very, very nice. Look at that. Look at the way the device shines through the case. But it's going to be the same thing, the cutouts, the button layout, and the lips on the top and the bottom as well. There it is, the Hexagon Black. But yes, all these cases right here are very unique. They look very, very cool. They're gonna protect your device very well. Like I said, I've done drop tests using this model of case. So if you find yourself interested in that video, if you have not seen it yet, I will throw it down in the description below. And I will also throw links for all these cases down in the description below in case you find yourself interested and you want a cool looking case like this for your Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, or even the S10e. And they also got different colors for the outside as well. And you will see those options if you do click the link and decide to go and take a look at them. But that is it for now. Let me know what you think of these cool looking cases down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. And make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Thank you so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.